So here we are going to see today the experiment of vortex tube refrigeration. So here, as you can see, this is a tube. Okay. Now this tube has no any moving parts, and it produces refrigeration effect by using only compressed air. So this is the pipe for supplying the compressed air to the tube. Now this blue colored portion shown here, it produces the cold air, that is cold air will come out from there, and the red colored portion, the hot air will exit from that side. Okay. Now when the compressed air is supplied here at this point, this is the vortex generator portion. Okay. So due to that vortex effect, the air, it rotates along the axis of the tube in the periphery of the tube, okay, at the near the wall. So that air, it rotates and it goes here at this end. So here a conical nozzle is fitted at the center. Now the end point of this conical nozzle, it restricts the motion of some air, and that air flows back in this direction. But at the periphery, some air is already flowing. Okay, so it exits out from the outside. Now the air which is present at the center, okay, it has very much low velocity, and hence its temperature is very low. So that low temperature air, it exits out from this side. So okay, so here we will get cold air, and here we will get hot air. So hot air, it is the air which has rotated at the outer radius of this tube, and the cold air which is rotated at near the axis, okay, of this tube. So in this way we will get refrigeration effect. So in practical situations, this cold air temperature might go in minus degree Celsius temperatures. Okay. So we get a temperature difference here between hot air and cold air. Okay. So this is the working of this vortex tube refrigeration system.